Hi all, I'm going to talk about the patents on hot beverage container sleeves, and I'll be summarizing these patents in terms of their background, priority date, ideas, diagram, specification, and the claim. So for my first patent, I'm going to talk about the insulating sleeve, which the priority date was May 4th in 2000. This has to ensure that the gripping surface of the coffee cup remains at a most comfortable temperature, not too cold or hot, while the liquid inside the container is hot or cold. In terms of technology, an insulating cup sleeve has to be folded in a certain way that ridges are formed by gripping. For my second patent, I'll be talking about thermal coffee cup, which the priority date was in July 20th, 1948. So it has to be designed to insulate the user's hand by the heat of the hot beverage contained inside the cup. In terms of technology, the thermal coffee cup is a conical shaped insulated jacket that has thinner inner layer, a corrugated middle for allowing a gap for air, and an outer layer. The air cannot escape in the middle layer because it is sealed at the top and bottom. For specification, the insulated jacket has outer sleeve where a cap of the coffee cup can sit. In the claim, the insulated jacket should have an inner layer that allows an air insulator, which specifically has sealed bottom. For my third patent, it's a thermal sleeve method for manufacturing a thermal sleeve and combination cup and thermal sleeve. So the priority date was April 15th in 2005. So it is considered inefficient for having multiple cups layered on a hot beverage when holding a cup. So it is causing a negative impact on environment. Thus, more efficient and practical method is needed when holding a cup with hot beverage inside. So in terms of technology, the cup has to have smooth paper inside, but craft paper outside. So for my fourth patent, it's insulator sleeve for a beverage container. The priority date is March 1st in 2006. The insulator sleeves may disrupt the barista when they write the orders or names in the cup because the opaque sleeve may not show the order details. So therefore, this invention is made to be transparent but also heat insulating. For my fifth patent, I going to talk about temperature indicating sleeve and related container, which the priority date was in December 15, 2000, in 2006. So it is difficult for the sewers to know how hot the liquid inside the cup is and whether it is cooled down enough for consumption. So this invention is a temperature indicating sleeve that is placed on the outer surface of container. In terms of technology, the temperature indicator should display the temperature or the temperature range of the beverage inside the cup. For my sixth patent, I'm going to talk about sleeve construction for improved paperboard cups installation, which the priority date is May 3rd, 1999. This provides sleeve cut from a single blank that adds an air gap for installation while maintaining smooth surface for printing patterns of designing on the sleeve. In terms of technology, the insulating sleeve has smooth surface and an air gap between the cup sidewall and the sleeve. For my seventh invention, it's the patent about beverage cup sleeving system and method. The priority date was August 23rd in 2006. So usually the thermally insulating sleeve becomes useless when it gets wet. So this invention is to make insulating sleeve reusable and washable. So in terms of technology, the layer of elastomer is made out of homogeneous, seamless, conical sleeve. The sleeve can be made out of metals, elastomers, elastomer composites, or liquid crystal pouches and specifications. For my eighth patent, it's a protective sleeve. So when hot or cold beverages are transferred to other containers, the heat can be changed. So this invention has a sleeve with like a unique arch shape that allows users to hold cup in comfortable way. So for the ninth patent, it's about a hot and cold cup sleeve. So the priority date was February 6th in 2014. Coffee shops need inexpensive sleeves for the coffee cup so that users could insulate the beverage. However, current methods are too expensive to be considered appropriate and practical. So in terms of specifications and technology, inner layer should be any material that can absorb water, whereas outer layer should be a texture that is easily gripped and water repellent.